me and my best friend are doing like a childhood theme, like hangout area. So, and she picked my backyard. Sorry, it's really windy right now, so it makes like the pool really dirty. Okay. I'm just planning it because she's coming over on Friday. So my mom told me to just put a huge blanket, not that blanket, like put a different blanket that I don't care about over it. And on Friday, take it out, sweep it off a little bit, take the pillows off. Sorry, that's my dog. Isn't this such a childhood, bro? Let me put the pillows back on, and then put all the stuff, maybe grab a few snacks, and this hangout place will be ready. I'm gonna hang out in here for a little bit, because it's a hangout place. And hold on, let me add a few things. Pew, 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 pew. Huh? Why isn't it working? Pew, 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 pew. Yeah. What? Why didn't it change? Pew, 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 pew. Nothing happened. Let me try one more time. Pew, pew. Make stuff come on. Set it up. Done. Owl. Panda. Praying goat. Sheep. Bear. Whatever it is. There's an ant on my leg. That's disgusting. Okay, we got Jesus. We got a flippity flippy, whatever it is. Really satisfying. When I went needle hunting, I got this squishy. It's not really a needle, but it's still really nice squishy. It might be a little dirty because I just chopped it. I'm pretty sure it says gooey gooey. I don't know how to pronounce it, but by Salish. And that's it. That's why I'm not at school. I'm really sick. Bye. Stay sweet. Love you all.